Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm really excited to be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech G512 carbon keyboard, and this is the Romer-G Linear. So really cool. The brand again, Logitech, you can see that right here on the package. The budget around $100 for this mechanical keyboard. Looks really cool, really neat packaging. We'll go ahead, we'll show off that. And then once we unbox it, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at the build of it as well. But really cool. Love the product photography. Love the different colors on the keyboard itself. Logitech, great packaging. I love the little blue on here. So I'll look at the back for you. We'll just see. So the RGB, personalized lighting, the Romer-G Linear, just a 25% faster keystrokes. What they're billing this as USB, so you can plug in your mouse, a flash drive, or your phone with the convenience of the integrated USB pass-through on the keyboard. And then it's got the aircraft grade 5052 aluminum top case. So just a lot of specific scientific stuff there that I don't know or care about. So basically, you know this is rigid and durable. That's what they're getting after. And now we'll go ahead and we'll unbox it. So let's see if we can nicely open this up. There we go. Really pretty, really cool. If you can see that. Nice and shiny plastic. So, see if we can gently take all this out. Maybe. All right, here we go. So, keyboard is out. And two manuals, warranty information, hold on to that. And this is something that's not even in English. So I believe it's just showing you how to set it up though. So just plug in the two USBs and you can go to Logitech support page for this product as well if you need help or anything along those lines. So I'll put that back in. So now for the keyboard itself, we'll go ahead and take the plastic off. Here it is. Looks really awesome. Maybe I can angle a little bit for you can see it a little closer to the camera. Good weight to it, good feel. I mean, that aluminum finish is really neat on the top. It's got a nice grip too. You can see the two USBs. Again, it's got the pass-through port right here for phone, mouse, anything else. Love the way they kind of wrap the power or the USB cables with this fabric. I think that's always cool. Just seems like luxurious to me on this finish. So as we're looking at the build, I say it's got a great build. Love the grip on the bottom. It's the rubber. Here's how the little stand works, fits out. Keys feel very weighted to me, just a typical kind of mechanical keyboard. Really like it, really impressed. It'll be really cool to see it light up from the computer. So yeah, really a great keyboard. Really excited with it. Looks really nice. Just for any sort of gaming and whatever else you may want, even just typing. If you're just looking for a nice keyboard and don't want the typical stuff you can get for 10 or 20 bucks on the Amazon. So go ahead. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, concerns, thoughts. I'll go ahead and post a link to this in my video description below so you can check it out as well. Hit that sub button if you haven't. And I look forward to seeing you guys in that chat. And then when I do some live streams, I hope you guys stick around and join me for those too. Love to talk with you and continue to build up a community surrounded by technology, unboxing, and all that good stuff. So really a really cool keyboard. Really happy with it. Show you this side again. There's that. And the back. So yeah, great keyboard from Logitech. Really excited, really cool, and happy to have it to unbox and review. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.